All right, I am running the Power by the Hour. Got it for a deal. I'm running the Power by the Hour revolver here, so it's going to go on a GM style pump. Never done this before, so we're gonna figure it out. They do have instructions, by the way. It's a GM pump. Now, apparently, all this came in the kit I bought off of Facebook Marketplace. And apparently, these pumps are the shit, and will absolutely rock. So we'll see. Why I just use an adjustable wrench. Maybe 12, 13. You know what? I'll get it there, but I won't. Oh, nah, still got it. Fuck it. Look at that. I like this bracket. Pretty nifty. I'll be able to, not sure how I'm gonna do it yet. That might be lower than I want. I don't know. But it's not that bad to swap it, really. I don't have to pull the frickin', I hate pulling the pulley off of the Ford. Can't stand it. Might do this on my car. Well, so my car is getting the Volvo pump. I was gonna do the Volvo pump on this, but I decided we're gonna go with the this setup, and then on my car for the swap coming up on my car, we're gonna do the Volvo pump. All right, so welcome back. We are going to be clearancing for the alternator here. And there's two standoffs that you have to grind completely flat, and then some ribbing that's actually cast into the timing cover that have to be ground flat. And no matter what you do, the clearance is going to be tight. It's a slick setup, but make sure that the Power by the Hour is what you want to do. There's a couple of different options. You can do a Volvo pump, so leave all the accessories the way they came from the factory, and then just use the Volvo pump to become your Hydro Boost setup if you want. But to do that setup and to do it right, you know, you'll have a few $100s in that, 5 to 8. I picked up this whole kit, including the alternator, which my Mustang, my cores didn't come with any accessories. So I was pretty much starting from a blank slate. So I needed an alternator, and this Power by the Hour kit came with a brand new Ford alternator. It came with the GM pump that was a high flow power steering pump, all the bracketry, idler pulleys, an oil filter adapter or an oil adapter so that I could read oil pressure. It was a pretty slick little kit, and I got it for really cheap. I've got $1,000 in all of it off of Marketplace. So being that I got a good deal, would I buy this again? So full retail with no accessories, having to kind of start from scratch like I did, yes. I was kind of weighing that out anyway when I found this particular deal and setup. If you get all your stuff, you got a good timing cover, good alternator, all that stuff is fine. I don't see why you would buy it. You can just run a Volvo pump, run some lines, and it'll work just as good. Might have to run some wire or something like that, but you're saving so much money by not having to purchase a alternator. So that was what really sold this kit. So here I'm worried about how much is sticking out, and clearance for radiator, hoses and stuff. But all that stuff worked just fine. So no clearance problems. It's a good product. I can't complain. No, you eat weird shit. I'll pet you though. That's all for this one.